Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wear a center guard. First, understand its purpose. It's a crucial piece of protective equipment, especially in sports involving potential impact. It shields a sensitive area from direct blows, significantly reducing the chance of serious injury. Wearing it correctly is not just about compliance. It's about safeguarding your well-being during intense physical exertion. Let's ensure you're protected. To begin, take your center guard and orient it correctly. The protective cup should face forward, covering the entire groin area. It's essential that it sits directly against your body, without any significant gaps. Think of it as a shield that needs to be precisely in place to do its job effectively. This initial positioning is key for both protection and comfort during movement. Once positioned, secure the guard using its integrated jockstrap or compression shorts with a built-in pocket. The straps should be adjusted to provide a firm, snug fit, preventing any unwanted movement during activity. However, avoid making it so tight that it causes discomfort or restricts circulation. You should be able to move freely, performing all necessary actions without the guard shifting or becoming a distraction. Before engaging in any activity, perform a quick check. Move around, bend, and stretch to ensure the guard remains securely in its intended position. Confirm there are no uncomfortable pressure points or chafing. A properly worn center guard offers invaluable protection, absorbing impacts and significantly reducing injury risk. It allows you to focus on your performance with confidence, knowing you're well protected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.